everyone, today I'm super happy to share with you this beautiful Christmas candy cane pattern. They are so simple, so easy to make, you can not imagine anything better than this. So this is so easy that you will be amazed how fast you can make tons of them. All you need is just 2 balls of yarn and your crochet hook. I'm usually using this Melissa Platinum cotton. You can use any yarn. So this one is 75 gram, 150 meters. I'm just saying because many times you ask me what yarn I used, and usually I just say use anything you have because these patterns are amazing. So for this candy cane, is like this size. I think it's around 7 centimeters. You can make them bigger, or you can use chunky yarn to make them bigger. But they are so cute on the Christmas tree. They are so easy to make. You can make just one side and then use water and sugar mixture to make them stronger. Or you can crochet both and just join them together. There is just one trick how to join them together and how to crochet the second part that I decided to show in this video, because I already have the pattern of this crochet candy cane tutorial on my channel, but I just show how to crochet this part and not to join them together. So decided to show you both. And also in my previous tutorial I alternate 2 red and 1 white, and this time I decided to alternate 1 red, 1 white, so you can choose which one you prefer. And I really think they're so cute. You can really attach them as a Christmas tree ornament or gift tag or applique to your sweater. So just watch how to make them and you will have tons of ideas how to use them. So I'm using my leftover yarn. These are perfect for your leftover project, and all you need is just 1 row. So grab 2 ends, and I will start with the red one first. You can start with any first. Make a slip knot and chain 20. So chain relaxed, 1, 2. You don't need to tie to make the chain super tight, because we will work into the back bumps, so you don't need to be super tight. Just relaxed way, and you have to chain 20. So how many I have here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you have a chain of 20. You have to turn on the other side. So I have chain 20, and now I turn the chain and I see I have the horizontal stitches here. And now I'm going to count 1, 2 and insert into the third one. So I'm going here and then yarn over, pull through the stitch and yarn over, pull through 2, and here we stop and we add the white color. So we add the white and we finish with the white. The same thing we made with other candy cane in my previous tutorial. We just alternate the 2 colors. So now I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to insert my hook into the next stitch. on the other side of the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, and then I take the white or the red and I finish with the red. And now I switch to the red. I go to my next back stitch and I just have to take the red. Because of camera, I cannot see exactly, but normally I keep 2 yarns on my finger and just alternate. And now I finish with the white. You already see how it starts to grow. So now we are switching to the white. Take just the white. And then switch back to the red. So like that, you have to alternate for, here. I'll show you again. So I go with the white. Finish with the red. So I hope you understood. You just alternate. You start with one color and finish with another color. So I show you one more, so you don't have any mistakes. You start with the red, you just go halfway, and then you finish with the white one. And you have to make 13 alternating 13 double crochet, including this chain 3, and then I show you how to make this curve or how to turn, and just count until you have 13. And now after you finish making 13 double crochet, we have to make the turn. We have 6 stitches left and we have to make an increase into each stitch. So it means 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So I finish with the red, I will go with the red. Then I make everything the same except the fact that the next stitch will go into the same stitch. So starting with the white, finish with the red, and I have 2 stitches in the same stitch. Now I'm going to the next stitch and I make the same increase. There. You will see it started to curve, and then go, I make my next increase into the same stitch. So keep making until your last stitch. So now I just show you the very last stitch. We already have 1 in here and we're just adding the last one to finish the increase. And you just finish with 1 color, like white, for example. And then we have to cut the yarn and I'm crocheting the next one. You don't have to weave the ends if you will join 2 of these. So as you can see already, this one you can use as an applique, and it's a perfect candy cane that you can already attach. But I prefer to use 2 sides to make them a bit stronger. So right now I will show you how to make the second half. It's all the same, but we start curve first. So we start with increase, 6 increases, and then you finish with 13 double crochet. Because if you make exactly the same way we made this one, you will have exactly the 2 parts that look the same, and then one part will be on this side, because if you join, you understand, I hope you will have one row. So we have to switch the side, and you must start with increase so you can have 2 mirror parts that you can join together. So I hope it was clear. You can crochet to the same and you will understand what I was saying. So we will start with the 6 increase. So all the same, but you must crochet with the 6 increase. So chain 20. So I'm showing you now here. You started with this top part, and now just keep making the 13. So it will look like that, and you just make usual without increase, just alternating. So right now I have finished the second part. I just cut the yarn, and I can leave one long tail, and I can sew together the 2 parts. So you see now they look like this, and you can attach. If you crochet the same way, one would be like this side. So you can just join them together, or you can use them already like these appliques. So I like to join them together, and then I don't use much filling. I just use this leftover yarn to put inside here, and it give a bit of padding. You can put more hollow fiber if you want to make it a bit pattern. So just make as you prefer. And now I will just join by going into all 4 loops. So I will just make slip stitch these 2 parts, slip stitch. Now I'm going to show you. So all I do next, I go under 4, like under this chain and under this chain. So under 4 loops, I pull the yarn, and I just slip stitch. So go under this and under this, and I slip stitch. You can also use single crochet stitch or slip stitch. So don't skip, and join them together. Like this, and you have to do it all around until you finish here, and then you just weave all the ends inside, and then you will have cute candy canes. The easiest one, I think you cannot find easier pattern than this. You can use different, and check my previous tutorial where I have 2 red and 1 white, and choose which one you prefer more. Of course, attach the loop here. You can use the yarn, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. They were really easy to make. So thanks for watching, and see you again next time. And I'm so happy to see that you are still here on my channel, so I can show you the 2 different versions. If you finish with the white or finish with the red, you can have different effects. Personally, I have no idea which one I prefer more. I love them both. You can write in the comments if you prefer to slip stitch with the white or with the red, but they look so Christmassy, all of them, and I think just having several different types, they're so perfect. I will also try to add the green color and see how it works, but they're so nice. So You can still watch my another tutorial and subscribe to my channel and smash the like button for this one if you enjoy watching it, and write your comments. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. Bye.